get ourselves back over to good old Bradford. I bet they're all missing Baggy, local f***ing legend.
Good morning. We're working over at Leeds today, Bramley. It's called the Unicorn. It's a Wetherspoons, working on behalf of a new client. It's a lovely day for it. I'll just show you what we're doing. We're fitting some 1.8 twin guard, twin wire we do, clamp bar system. It's going on a wall this, so we've had some crank posts made, different sizes. So I'll just show you where it's going. They're having a radio. They're having some trouble with kids getting in on roof and people throwing stuff over. So we're going to be going here with that little return there. We'll be going up there along that wall there. We've had some different size posts made for that, and then we're going on this wall. The crank arm will be on back at wall. There you go. Sorry, it went blurred. We're coming all along this wall. I'll just show you, Baggy. We've just got first panel set up here. Just got first panel set up there. So I'll be back with you later. Should be a quick process, a day's work, and then we're on to another one tomorrow over in Chapel Allerton. So yeah, you'll be seeing us. Right, we've just finished over at the Unicorn at Bramley, so I'll just run you through what we've done. So we put a little return into wall, stop them getting up there. It's been a bit tricky because the wall isn't level, so we've had to really pack it up so it all runs through plumb, up and down wall. But yeah, I think it's turned out pretty well. Client's happy. I'll show you this corner, what were pretty tricky. Some massive fixings in these cranks, so really solid. All neat. Excuse sun, it's a very bright day, but
at the church on town.
You can see we've bolted up back at wall there. So yeah, we'll see you tomorrow over at Chapel Allerton, another branch at Wetherspoons, so see you soon. Same thing again, but not a crank post, an intermediate post. So twin wire clamp bar system. I think they were 15 metre. So yeah, it's gone well, client's happy. So we'll see you next week. We're up in Newcastle, Mark's away. We're going to load up Monday, have a lot to do Monday, and then we'll be off early Tuesday, so we'll see you up in Gateshead, sorry. Well, it's next door to Newcastle, so you'll be seeing lots of us next week. So happy days, have a great weekend, and we'll see you soon.
So happy Tuesday morning. So we got here crack of dawn this morning, 2 hour drive, and we're cracking straight on. Salt clearance work has been done. I do have a footage of what we're actually here, which is full of trees, bushes and old fence. So as you can see, we're going to be following where the dirt line is all the way along, and then we're going to be going to their existing palisade. Lads are just getting set up now, making sure all materials there and making sure we've got everything on vans to have a good day. We'll know more how many days it's going to take, because we've got 4 days in for it, and I believe that should do it. Obviously we're up in Newcastle, Mark's away on holiday, so hopefully he's having a good time over there. Well, we're all working hard, but yeah, we'll obviously keep you updated. We'll get a video once we start installing some, and we'll show you how we get on, hopefully. We don't hit no major problems, and we're out of here Friday. As you can see, all this here were just tree upon tree, an old fence hiding it. You couldn't even see it when we actually came, so it's a lot better now. And then we'll be going all the way up, and I think it's 181 metres in total, 2.4 high palisade. So I will get another video tomorrow. Good morning. So day 2 up in Newcastle. Yeah, it's there's been a few tricky spots, but we're getting it in. This was probably the hardest. The rebar in that and the concrete. Luckily enough, the lads on site had the digger and the pecker, and they did these 2 holes for us. Otherwise, it probably took about 4 hours to dig them. But yeah, this is what we've got in so far. So it's looking well. They've gained the extra space, getting it all tucked down. And yeah, it looks good. Obviously we have put a few in today as well, so this is kind of day 1 and day 2, and then we'll crack on with the rest on day 3. We're hoping to get all the way down to the corner for day 3, and then day 4 we hopefully half a day get ourselves back over to good old Bradford. But they're all missing Baggy, local f***ing legend. Right, so we're up here, and that's where we tied on to the initial palisade. And yeah, it's looking good. So I think these guys just do containers and stuff, so now they have loads of land to be able to do it. Looking very nice. Good morning. So it's day 3, and as you can see, we've been cracking on. Lads are hard at work now. We're just me and Andrew are just digging holes in front of them. They're putting them straight in, and then once we get maybe 5 in, we'll stop digging holes and we'll start paling and snapping. And it's a good little routine we've got going on, just getting the job done. Obviously this is beginning morning, day 3, so we're hoping by end of today we're all the way down to that corner. Just got the pails to put on the gate. We didn't put them on yet because we didn't want to put too much weight on it. Yeah. There at lads, there at Vans. So we're going to come down here today, and we're hoping, I'll show you now, we'll take a little walk down. Lads are at work. As you can see, he's just digging the holes out, and then we'll go behind them, start peeling and snapping off. So he's sorting them out. Andrew there. So been absolutely pissing it down today. So you know what it's like when you're digging holes as well. You don't want all your waterproofs on because you just start sweating to bits. So what we'll do is we'll go from there, and we've already marked it out. This is where we want to get to today. That rock right there. So that's our point for the day. Oh no, sorry, that one. So that's where we want to be today. We want to get all these in all the way down here today, and then Friday we're left with just running it along. Everything's pretty much gone to plan. Yeah, we'll keep you updated, and we will see you tomorrow.